So I want to give you my honest opinion and review on these Logitech H390 USB headsets. I chose the pink color because I like, something feminine, something soft. As you can see, it has a speaker mic on it. That speaker mic is very sensitive, so they can hear you you breathing or you moving around in the background. I don't like the little ear spots right here. I guess I have medium-sized ears, but it doesn't sit comfortable on my ear. But I'm going to keep them for right now because they are affordable, and I have a link down below that you can pick them up at. So they are adjustable for both sides. So if you have a small head, medium-sized head, or a big head, you are able to adjust them left side, right side. They are a left ear mic headphone set. So if you like your mics more on your right ear, you might want to look for ones that's on your right ear. Right here you have the adjustable volume button. You can mute it in the middle. So the way to mute these headsets is press the middle button. Okay, so you want to put the volume up or down, you press up or down. But if you want to mute them, you have to press that middle button. So this clip right here, you can clip it onto your clothes while you're working, okay? So you don't have to have that cord dangling. Sometimes that get in the way, especially if you're doing multiple things at the same time. So you just clip it onto your blouse or your jacket or even your blanket if you cuddle up like me sometimes working from home. That's how you clip it on there and it stays. So you want to have it in an area where you can reach it so you can turn it up, turn the volume down, or mute your mic whenever you need to. So I hope this review helps. This is the Logitech H390 USB headset. I use this for my work from home jobs. Thank you.